Are you tired of feeling frustrated with your body? Do you struggle with irregular periods, weight gain, or acne? Well, you may be dealing with PCOS, one of the most common hormonal disorders in women. But don't worry, because today we'll break it down, everything you need to know about PCOS, its causes, symptoms, and natural treatment options. So if you've been feeling like your body is working against you, you're not alone. Hey ladies, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to many of us who've dealt with its challenges firsthand. That's right, we're talking about Polycystic Ovary Syndrome, or PCOS, and we're not holding back. We want to talk real, raw, and honest about what it's like to live with PCOS. But before we dive in, let me introduce myself. I'm a specialist in women's health. If you want to learn more about women's health, hormones, and much more, make sure you click the subscribe button below. Now let's get started. First, let's demystify PCOS. What exactly is it? Well, imagine your body's hormone levels as a well-tuned orchestra. Each hormone plays a part, and they all work together to keep you in harmony. But with PCOS, there's a bit of chaos going on. Your body is pumping out high levels of male hormones called androgens. These hormones normally play a role in both men and women, but in women, they should be present in small amounts. Too many of these hormones throw your body's rhythm off track, making things like periods and fertility a bit unpredictable. So when it comes to understanding PCOS, it's crucial to know that every person's experience is unique. For some, it might mean infrequent periods. For others, it could be about fertility struggles. And for many, it's a mix of both. And here's where it gets even more intricate. The reason behind PCOS varies from person to person. In about 70% of cases, insulin resistance takes center stage. Basically, your body's cells become less responsive to insulin, the hormone responsible for helping your body use sugar for energy. When that happens, your pancreas works overtime to produce more insulin, leading to high insulin levels. And guess what? High insulin levels can trigger those pesky androgens to rise, messing with your menstrual cycle and sometimes causing cysts on your ovaries. Genetics also play a part with PCOS. If it runs in your family, chances are you might be more susceptible to it. Let's talk about the signs and symptoms of PCOS. Remember, not everyone experiences all of them, but some of the most common ones include irregular periods, which means your menstrual cycle might be late, early, or just plain unpredictable. Excess androgen can manifest as facial or body hair growth, acne, and even hair loss. Oh, and those polycystic ovaries. They might be spotted during an ultrasound and typically aren't a standalone symptom. Also, weight gain, particularly in the belly area, can be a PCOS symptom. And here's a unique one: darkened skin patches. These can show up in places where your skin folds, like your armpits, neck, or groin. Lastly, mood swings, anxiety, and depression can all be part of the PCOS puzzle. Now that you're aware of the signs, it's time to take action. Making positive changes can help manage PCOS symptoms and improve your overall health. First on the list, nutrition is key. Think of your diet as the conductor of your body's orchestra. When you eat the right stuff, everything falls into place. Focus on balancing your blood sugar levels. This means saying yes to complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits and veggies, and passing on the simple carbs like white bread, pastries, and sugary drinks. When you eat carbs, your body breaks them down into sugar. That's great, but it's important to do it gradually and steadily so your body can handle it well. Complex carbs help you do just that because they're packed with fiber, which slows down the sugar release. Next, prioritize protein and healthy fats. Picture them as the supporting cast of your body's orchestra. They're essential and add depth to the harmony. Protein helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps you feeling full. Add some healthy fats into the mix, and you've got a great team working to support your body's balance. Think lean meats, fish, beans, and nuts. They're the all-stars of your protein and healthy fat squad. When it comes to eating, moderation is your best friend. Watch out for portion sizes, especially when it comes to those high-carbohydrate foods. Managing your calorie intake can help you maintain a healthy weight and improve your insulin sensitivity. Speaking of insulin, it's a key player in helping your body use sugar for energy. So when you eat the right things and in the right amounts, you help your body use insulin more efficiently. This is super important for managing PCOS symptoms. Second, stay active. Exercise isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good inside and out. And when it comes to PCOS, it's a game changer. Regular physical activity can really help you manage your symptoms and improve your overall health. Here's the deal. With PCOS, your body might be a bit resistant to insulin, which can mess with your blood sugar levels and hormone balance. But exercise comes to the rescue. When you move your body, you help your cells become more sensitive to insulin. That means your body can use insulin better to control your blood sugar levels. And here's another bonus. Exercise can help with weight management, which is a big deal for many people with PCOS. Losing even a small amount of weight, like 6 to 10%, can make a world of difference. It can help you ovulate regularly again and reduce the risk of serious health issues down the road. Now let's talk about the types of exercise that work best. Cardio is your go-to. Think brisk walking, jogging, biking, or swimming. These activities get your heart pumping and your blood flowing, which helps deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells. And don't forget about strength training. Working with weights or doing exercises like squats, lunges, and push-ups can help you build muscle. Muscle mass improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more efficiently. Plus, it boosts your metabolism, which aids in weight management. And remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity cardio and strength training exercises targeting all major muscle groups twice a week. Third, consider your stress levels. We all get stressed out from time to time, but chronic stress can be a real pain. Literally, when you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol. And too much cortisol for a long time can mess with your hormone levels, including insulin. This can make insulin resistance worse, which is already a problem with PCOS. Plus, high cortisol levels can make you feel anxious and moody, which is never fun. So finding ways to manage your stress is super important. Techniques like yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, and even things like gardening or listening to music can help. These practices calm your mind and body, reduce cortisol levels, and promote overall well-being. And don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can spike your blood sugar levels. This messes with insulin sensitivity and makes it harder for your body to use insulin properly. Sleep helps regulate your hormones, including insulin, and it's essential for your overall health. So aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Remember, knowledge is your superpower in managing PCOS. Learn about your condition, ask questions, and make informed choices. Don't be afraid to seek support from healthcare professionals and online communities. You're not alone in this journey. By adopting a holistic approach that addresses your nutrition, physical activity, stress management, and sleep habits, you can empower yourself to manage PCOS symptoms and live a healthier, happier life. You've got this. And there you have it, folks. If you found this video informative and want to stay in the loop with more health tips, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong, and keep rocking your fabulous self.